Hey guys, welcome back to some more puppet play. Today we're still chasing after Medecine. I couldn't find the name of this place in the end, you know I said I would. But here's what's the name of this hill, which is Medecine Stage in the Phantasmagoria of Flowerview. So we're hoping that we'll end up finding her. My team still hasn't changed. I did go back and catch some stuff, I think. I actually have no idea what I did anymore. It's been a while since I played this, but we're gonna try and get some stuff done today. And hopefully not get stuck somewhere. Yeah, so many fairies out here. Oh, that's different. She was part fighting. I can't remember what her other typing was. Well, that's what the base type anyway. That didn't work. Light. Let's try dark. As you can see, I'm still using my giant level difference. It's very helpful when Komachi water. You know, it's actually weird. I went and Googled and everything. I couldn't find the name of this place. All I could find was a couple of locations apart from this. One of them being the roads to the Sanzu River, which is not here. That was further back. Wait, Shichuan. What am I doing? What am I doing? Wait, don't they jump round in a circle to get stuff? Oh. Oh, there we go, found her. I can't remember what she had a mostly, I think, journalist group of mostly dark. Yeah, it should work. Talks about how people treat dolls as toys, well, as tools. Oh, hello. That ain't good. Let's see. She bought light still. 53 though. That is really catching up to me. Oh, fricking hell. I think she's still a bit on pot steel. Here we go. Throw a fire out and a fighting out. What do we want? Big fire shot. I can't remember if she liberates. There we go, she's part poison. She doesn't liberate. And out you go. For coral. Okay, that's different. Fighting and I know fighting. I can't remember what the other one was. What can I do with fighting? Wind. I think the other was none. None is really hard to work with because honestly, I can't. Yeah, I honestly can't think of anything. Oh, whoop. That hurt me pretty bad. Let's see if I can kill her one shot here. Oh, that didn't work. How'd I go? God damn it. I really don't know what typing she is. She's not part of fighting. Yeah. Let's just try and Toxie Tank her out of here. Toxie Tank! Oh yeah, I got my stronger Luke. Poison Body! Toxie Tank! I don't need my stronger attack, but I have it. This. Vidanova. Sounds epic. Oh, she actually tossed out her 4th slot. Okay. I'm presuming she still has her own puppet for her last, yeah. What? Mako. Well, I just lost my water. Here's my ground. Have fun. That missed. That sounded epic too, that's a burn. That was called Burn Strike. Wait, what? Okay, so she's not pure fire. Oh, let me just smack her really hard with this thing. Okay. Just took damage for knocking her out. And Rick. Medicine. I think she's part poisons her first one. I don't think she gets grass unless you put her to defense type like I did. Doesn't matter. 11 level difference. Knockout. Got another new skill. Okay, so apparently the whole group is disbanding, and just to leave them alone is what she said. That was quick. Team Rocket didn't go down that quickly. Where's my revive? Where the hell's my revive? That's a full heal, wasn't there a half heal? Here we go. And then we'll use up the rest of our 50s. I think I still have a couple. Here we go. Use one. You don't really need it. You need one, and you need one, and I have one more. Here we go. Alright, off we go. So I guess next we'll be seeing Yuka, which is, I don't know if that's going to be pleasant or not. Usually in fan games she's mildly overpowered. I'll just leave it at that. Let's just come over here quickly. Alright. There's an item down there. And there's an item right here. What the hell is that? That's a character for bird, and then I think that's a character usually used for helm, like helm. But it's like a bird's head's roots or something. Because Roots is the last character, and the Nor used as a third is supposed to be possessive adjective or like link. It makes you get intoxicated, like toxic. I don't know what that is. It's like worse than a poison orb. Let me jump in there. Alright, so looks like that puts us through. And we'll just, since we have a map, even though it's not really a map. Okay, so we're now heading towards Route A. I guess we stop at the hill. This should be the nameless hill that Medicine's stage in Flowerview was. And then there's the Sunflower Patch, which is where Yuka should be, which is not the most appealing thing in the world. But that's the only way we can go right now. Okay, Route 8. Be part dark, please. She's not part dark. And that looked terrifying. Message do this again. Okay. So that first girl was like, I don't have anything, go away. That was weird. Donge. She's part illusion, I know that much. I have no idea what her second type was. It might have been Dark. Thanks for the health. Oh. Okay, we just jump across here. Wow, the freaking first person with good eyesight I've seen in a long time. That's one hell of a lot. Sarah. I think she's usually a fighting type in a lot of games, or at least in the wait, what did I try? Oh, did I miss? That's a ground move. I don't know. Wait, did it say I? It might have been ineffective. Let me switch. It might be safer. It was ineffective, then she's definitely a ground type. And my preceding attacks shall be very effective. Eat this. Alright, so I guess I'll check the grass here later to see if Sarah's in here. Or my run turn when I'm running through this route. Like usual. Just like usual. What is in that grass? Can I peek? Okay, there's an item back there. I'll get that later. Why is it night time? Night time is at Yokai's time. Aha. And here's a Tengu. I don't know what you're doing out here. They have GPSs? Why would a Tengu need a GPS? Alright, are you part dark? Yes you are. Momiji. Don't be part ground. Yes. Yes, I know what a GPS is. Okay, so I have to go through the cave. It really doesn't look like it on the map. Okay, so that's why the cave is here. It was a cave. Let's put some eye at the front. I don't know why, but I just feel more comfortable in a cave if I have someone with water attacks at the front. It might be actually with water attacks or electric attacks. Probably because Pokemon traumatized me with Geodudes. And again, the electric attacks would be because they traumatized everybody with Zubats. If you didn't play Pokemon until the generation where Zubats were not there, you don't get to say anything. You don't know the pain. Okay, I've got Sarah now. That was easy. Let's grab this. Go downstairs! Jeez. Oh jeez, they have better eyesight now! Run. I think that's the same typing I have. She should be pot fire. Eat this. Okay, so trainers are about nearly getting to 50. The Touhou characters are pretty much mid-50. I really feel like repelling. Okay, my level should still be okay if I keep up at this rate. Okay, repel. I don't want to repel yet. I don't know if anything else is in here that I haven't got. Usually trainers are a good indication of that, but there's only the one person using something new. I don't think cave spiders is supposed to be all the way down this cave. There's a fairy that's lost in the cave. You're me, defense type. Here you go, eat some wind. Blow up. Oh, dang. And of course, the AI gets 5 hits. I was surprised before when the AI only hit me 3 times or something. Another one. Oh my god. Alright, Mercy, you're coming out. And Light and Dark are strong against each other. Well then. That's gonna hurt a little bit. 3 times. Thank you. Really was free with me as they're all free power types, jeez. Down you go, out you go. 60 Thief. Wow, girl, you want me to take you to the exit, don't attack me. Okay, I got a new move. I'm running out of PP if I learn this, I think. But there's a 1 out of 10 chance you'll burn someone, and you take back a third of your damage you dealt, so that's a flaming takedown of some kind. Oh, there's a ladder. Wonderful. I don't know if I see a ghost, if I should just switch out someone with light moves or ghost moves that can deal with ghosts. Let's see, what should I do? I'll probably get hit by a steel move, I know that much. Who can eat a steel attack? Here's my own. Ghost on ghost! Go, go! Was that ghost called Suzy? I know it was Shizu. Never mind. There's an item down there. Must go get it. Actually, I'm repelling. Screw this. Repel. I bought 20 of these for a reason. What's all these tiny paths? It's kind of annoying. Bin. I don't think I've seen anyone use her. Or, Yoshiha. I think it's Yoshiha. Her sister, or what's effectively her sister. I don't even know if they're sisters or not, actually. Kogasa. She's part of water, that's all I know. Yeah, go Mercer. And Steel HP. She wasn't part water, but she was part ghost. That's weird. I swear she was part water. At least when she's normal type. Or normal typing style, whatever. Macro Burst. 3 out of 10 chance of causing confusion, and it'll end the wither effect that I'm putting up. That seems cool. Just take this out. What does that one do? Oh, where is it? Yeah, like a 20% chance of increasing my speed. My speed. Is that a hole? Oh my god. No dropping puzzles, please. Those are terrible. I don't want to get out of the key. Get out. I'm probably going to get zapped. Oh yeah, I'm not background anymore. Do I actually have background? I don't. Okay. But I do have a ground attack. If I need to drop down that hole. Come on, there's gotta be another way. A random pool of water, okay. That's weird. A silver coin. Was there any need to have me pick these up? I get enough of them as it is. I'm lost! There's more water, but I'm definitely lost, and it ain't good. Why is everyone using something that's strong to me? Light and wind, I think. Let's try Yomu here. If she's still part wind, I can cut through that, I think. I think steel was strong against wind. For sure, how it should be. That's a speed type. Take this. And then it wasn't effective, but it works. And water type kernel. Can I burst her out? I don't think Channel's typing changes at all. Mercer got a new skill. Do you have a giant nuke like a Master Spark yet? That's a giant nuke, alright. Let's take this out. That literally reads something along the lines of Lightning Emperor Indignate. If that's for your epic skills. Actually, one of the what's the one I had on her? This ain't as intense, something like Hellfire Dance. And I think Sanai had a giant nuke too. That's what I'm just being silly now. Actually, did I put her one on? I did. Oh yeah, the macro burst. Macro burst ain't cool. It ain't flashy naming something rather. Oh whatever. Let's not use it for now. Use the water to travel. Okay. Well, I saved about 10 steps. Maybe. Up we go. If I missed anything in here, puppet-wise, then, well, I guess I would get mad at myself. Ah, that looks like the exit. Please be an exit, you have light coming out of you. Yay! Alright, we're back on Route 8. And we still have some time left. Sunflower seeds? Candy made from sunflower seeds? Okay, I'll eat it. Wait, does that heal me? Wow. Okay, free healing. Very nice. And on that note, let's save. Saving is important. And so it's backing up, which I didn't do a while back. Skill card 52. And that's the end of that. Let's try this out. Actually, was she... A regular Lily was normal. Or like, none type. Let's try this. Oh my god, it's so epic! Actually, it wasn't that epic, but I just had to do it. Wait, what? She's not part water anymore. And what? Resists electric. What the heck resists electric? Actually, I have no idea. This will be a slow grind. Let's try a light move. Wait, if it resists electric and light, I really have no idea what typing she is. Why? She's probably part light, but that doesn't resist electric. And dark is not super effective. I missed. That makes me want to go trade my own star and just check what typing that is. My. That's weird. Alright, 2 puppets. Ermelia. She's part wind. I'm pretty sure. She's something like dark and wind. Well, I'll take the HP. She's probably just dark dude. Ouch. Give me more health. That scared me. Thank you. Just a bit. And Sandal. Oh, my one was dark and light. Let's try and just burst a chunk of health off. She's pretty frail. She is frail as heck. Love how fan games make like Flandre super high powered and super frail at the same time. The glass cannon. Is she still part water? I'm pretty sure she was part water at one point. No, but it worked. And she was part dark, I believe, that's the other type thing. Vittori, you're definitely part water. And then she had lightning rod. Well in. Alright, grass type. I wonder if she is actually the water steel combo here. Cause that would make things really complicated, cause then my... Oh no, shit, it's not okay. Cause it will make my grass attacks regular damage and my poison attacks won't even hit her. Which would have been funny, cause that's like... The grass would have been strong against the water, and then the poison would have been strong against the water. But the steel blocks both of them. Now that I think about it, that's actually a very good type combination. Alright, are we at the sunflower field? Yeah, it should be around this corner. There's not a person there, and nothing up here. Ellie. I haven't seen Ellie in a while. Blow her up. She's parked ground. Really? Oh man. Everything is parked ground around here. Why is that? I swear she was part wind to start off. If she's parked ground, then this will work. And now, since I'm part wind, the ground attacks don't even hit me. Freaking brilliant. Okay, that was defensively. Kurumi. Regular Kurumi is dark and wind. Let's try a water attack. She's not that solid, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there we go. Don't take any needless damage. Sleep through, slip through, slip through. And this person's facing the trees. There's fruits on that tree. But can I actually touch anything? Nope. Okay, we don't need that anymore. Okay, sunflower field. Don't pick the sunflowers. Alright, so gotta step on them? Okay, so it's an actual maze of some kind. There's trainers here. There's grass here. There's probably yucca puppets in here. And how long have I been going for? Alright, I think we'll leave this here. We'll do the sunflower field and let's look at the map as we think about this. Probably have to do it better with Yuka here, but sunflower field and root 7. We'll be doing that next time. So today we have beat the Medecine. Apparently they're not going to do anything anymore. So I guess that's an achievement. I did something. Okay, there are trainers here. Actually, I want to slip. Should I slip into the grass? How do you get into the grass? Okay, it's just here. I'm just rambling now. Okay, so next time we'll do the sunflower field, probably run to Yuka, probably have a fight with her. Hopefully she isn't overpowering, and then we'll loop back around Route 7 and then work out where we go from there. So thanks for watching and tune in next time.